Come test drive the 2019 Colorado. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, hill descent control, trailer brake controller, remote keyless entry, daytime running lamps, trailering package, traction control. Inside you'll find steering wheel controls, cruise control, air conditioning, console, great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.